Have you ever met someone who just thinks differently? They pick up things fast, notice what others miss, and their mind never seems to rest. That's not luck, it's psychology. These are the signs of gifted people. Not just people with high IQ, but people whose brains and emotions work on another level entirely. Let's break down what really goes on inside the mind of a gifted person. 1. Their brains are wired differently. Gifted people's brains don't just work faster, they work deeper. They make connections others wouldn't even think of. That's why they're often creative, curious, and obsessed with finding meaning behind things. Their thinking is multidimensional. One thought leads to 10 others. 2. They feel everything. More intensely gifted minds come with gifted emotions. They can feel happiness, sadness, anger, all much stronger than most people. This emotional depth helps them understand others deeply, but it can also make life more overwhelming and lonely. 3. They question everything. Gifted people are naturally curious. They can't stand shallow explanations. They need to know why something is the way it is. This constant questioning often makes them seem rebellious or complicated, but in truth, it's how they learn and grow. 4. They battle perfectionism. Gifted people often push themselves to impossible standards. They want everything to be right, to reach their full potential. And when they fall short, they can be their own worst critics. This perfectionism can drive success or cause exhaustion. 5. They often feel misunderstood. Many gifted people feel like outsiders. It's not that they don't want to fit in, they just think differently. While others talk about surface level things, they crave depth and meaning. It's why they connect best with people who get their wavelength. 6. Their minds never stop. Gifted individuals can't easily switch off. Their brains are always running, thinking, analyzing, planning, imagining. Even when they try to relax, their mind is full of new ideas. It's exciting, but also exhausting. Being gifted isn't about grades or talent. It's about how you feel, how you think, and how deeply you see the world. It's a gift, but it's also a weight. And if this video spoke to you, maybe that says something about how your mind works too. So, if you love learning the hidden psychology behind unique minds, hit subscribe. Because you're not just watching another channel. You're understanding yourself a little better every time.